Welcome to this new Fabricville tutorial. Today we're going to see how to copy a sewing pattern. On the back of each pattern envelope, you will find the recommended fabrics, the supplies needed for the project, the measurement chart to choose your size, the fabric yardage required, and often the finished garment measurements. Once you've chosen your size, you will need to copy the pattern pieces one by one. The pieces are printed with several lines in different styles, each corresponding to a size. You also see notches and markings that need to be traced and transferred to your fabric. This arrow symbol shows that the fabric must be folded in half and that this line will be placed on the fold. I transfer all this information onto tracing paper. Copying a pattern takes time, but all this information will help you during the assembly. It's especially important not to forget to label the pattern with the pattern number, the piece number, and how many times each piece needs to be cut, as it's easy to get lost. A crucial piece of information is the grain line. On the first piece, the grain line is parallel to the center front, but some pieces, like this one, are cut on the bias, so you must always mark this direction. The notches are there to help you match the pieces together. You will also find plenty of other markings, such as waist lines, length and shorten lines, and closure markings, like the eyelets shown here. Finally, you need to consider the seam allowances. Most patterns are printed with seam allowances included. This means the printed line is the cutting line. If the pattern is printed without seam allowances, you'll need to add them. Here I add a 1.5 cm seam allowance all around the piece. And that's it, you now have the basic info you need to get started with the pattern. See you soon!